My dear young friends, you all should be now aware that our armed forces are planning to conduct SSB interviews as early as possible. Most probably, this decision would be taken in the next month, which means time is ticking away for you all. You all have to now be on your heels and seriously start preparing for the SSBs if you are really serious about clearing the armed forces selection boards. Now, today, taking a cue from the Prime Minister, I'll coin a quote for you. What is this complete preparation is going to be seen? I would put this whole complete preparation or your complete willingness to clear SSB can be coined into 6 P's. Right. Now let's see what are those 6 P's. The first P is passion. The second P is practical approach. Now the third one would be practice. And the fourth one is pursuit. And what kind of pursuit? Pursuit towards excellence. Next one is perseverance. Now the last one, I would say, performance to perfection. Now, let's see how these words or how these meanings are connected to your preparation for SSB. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we require from you is passion. Passion to don the uniform. Passion to serve the nation. Passion to keep away your personal comforts and put the nation in front of self. This is a very important thing which we are going to see when you are coming for the SSB interview. The assessors are definitely going to see what's the level of passion in you. Remember, we are not looking for job seekers in the armed forces. If we find that within these 5 days of interview, if you feel that you are a job seeker, you are here because it's a class 1 gazetted officer job, a lot of pride and honor, and there is a lot of probably money and security of job. If these are your primary considerations to join the armed forces, it will come out through your body language. We can see that in your eyes. We will read you and we will understand if you have a passion to join the armed forces. We could see that patriotism, the feel for the nation. We can see that burning in your eyes. It will sparkle out. So, ladies and gentlemen, please develop this passion to be the sentinels of this nation. Angels. The guardian angels for this nation. So, most important thing which we are going to see in you is your passion to wear the uniform for the nation. The country right now, as you are aware, is going through difficult times in both the borders, the Chinese border as well as the Pak border, and I hope situation will be dealt with in the right manner very soon. The second P which I mentioned to you is practical approach. For a leader, we are looking the practicality of your mind, which we call generally, if you want to hear in Punjabi, jugaad, which I keep telling. So when you come for the SSB, I'm going to see Are you a jugadu? Can you apply your mind practically to a problem which you are faced, for a crisis you are having in hand? And can you find solutions from the environment rather than referring to a ready-made solutions which somebody else has made already? So your effective intelligence, or we call it common sense, and common sense is not very common these days, so this is a major issue. We are going to see your practical mind. So you will find lot many tasks which we have designed for you in the SSB is going to see your practical intelligence and your work sense, practical work sense. So please develop a habit of finding innovative methods, finding creative ways of approaching a problem and solving a problem, and find solutions which are innovative in nature. This is a very important aspect of personality which we are going to see in you when you come for the SSB. Now the third P which I said is practice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, practice in the right manner. Unfortunately, you would have seen most of the candidates do practice and come, but with the wrong guidance, it becomes a coached response. It becomes a response which is artificial in nature. And many a time, a clearable candidate get misguided by many academies and many instructors probably, and they try to project an artificial image of them. It's like wearing a mask, and we are not able to see you when I look at you, and we are not going to select you. So practice is very important, but practice in the right manner after understanding what exactly you need to practice, for which you have to see your own personality and understand yourself better. You have to put a mirror in front of you where you can see yourself, your inner beauty of yourself, which means your areas of improvement you should be able to understand correctly and make a conscious effort to overcome these weaknesses of personality. In this contest, I remember one very small episode. Churchill, you all know who is Churchill, was asked by a certain journalist when he was a Prime Minister of England, that wartime Prime Minister, going through very difficult times during the World War. So one journalist asked him, "Mr. Prime Minister, please tell me, what is the secret of your success?" So he looked at him, smiled, and he just said one word. He said, "Practice." So then he explained. He said, "Practice before breakfast, practice after breakfast. Practice before lunch, practice after lunch. Practice before dinner, practice after dinner. Practice before sleeping, practice after sleeping. And practice before practice, practice after practice. That's the only secret of my success in life. Otherwise, I am nothing." So, gentlemen, why I want to tell you this incident or interesting quote by Mr. Churchill is, you have to practice, but practice in the right sense. Correct practice. Not a practice which somebody else is already doing and you are just imitating or copying that practice, which will not work wonders for you at the SSB. Okay, now the next P I was saying is pursuit. And what is pursuit? Pursuit here means pursuit towards excellence. Now what is excellence, gentlemen? Excellence is very, very relative. Excellence for me may not be excellence for you. It may not be excellence for the interview board also many times. So your endeavor should be to keep moving upwardly mobile towards the excellence. Pursue towards excellence. And whatever you feel is excellence, keep working towards it. Though it is very relative, but when you start working towards it, this journey will continue towards the horizon of success. So please understand what do you mean by pursue towards excellence. Next one, gentlemen, is again very important. Again starts with P only. Perseverance. And what is perseverance? Perseverance is your persistent effort to achieve a goal in spite of failures, in spite of setbacks, which can happen in life, because life is not a bed of roses. You will have a lot of thorns in between, where you need to face the thorns too. So your consistent effort, your doggedness to push ahead in life till such time you attain your goal, in spite of setbacks, in spite of failures in life, making these failures as stepping stones towards success. That is persistence. Please understand the meaning and try to imbibe this quality in you. Right. The next one, of course, as a finale, I would like to say performance towards perfection. And nothing is perfect. As you are aware, there is nothing called perfect. Man invariably will make mistake, and we are also as assessors not looking for perfection. But your performance should be oriented towards perfection. What kind of performance? You should be able to perform the way we expect at the SSB. And your performance should be motivated by your preparations, and this performance should be exhibited there. It's an exhibited performance which we are going to look at. So when you perform in the SSB, firstly, you should be absolutely stress-free. You should be able to come out with your personality in a colorful manner. Project your virtues. Don't try to hide your vices, but be confident to say there that these are the areas of improvement I have found in my personality and I am working towards it. These manner I am working towards it, and I would like to overcome this area of improvement. And your performance should be optimistic. The moment you land in SSB, you already is pessimistic about the whole thing. First thing what will happen is your confidence level will go down, your performance will be marred, and your behavior will be a defeatist behavior. That you must avoid. We don't want you to be stress prone at the SSB. How do you do that? A very simple trick. Forget what is going to happen after the SSB. Unfortunately, we all are result oriented, and we keep thinking about the result and we get stressed up. And this anxiety is going to kill us. And this anxiety is itself is a cause of depressions, which you have seen what is happening, even pushing people over the edge to commit suicide even. So when you go to SSB, my dear friends, be confident about yourself. Say yourself, I'm not going to think what is going to happen. My job here is to perform to the best of my ability. कर्मणे वादिगारस्ते ना फलेषु न कदाचन. Meaning क्या है? You all have heard it very importantly. रोज सुनते रहते हैं, perform your duty. Don't worry about the results. And when you do your karma, result will be definitely optimistic. Results will be always fruitful. This is the essence of Bhagavad Gita, if you have noticed. And at SSB, just come with bubbling with energy there. Just do it, enjoy the moment, and forget about what is going to happen afterwards. And I am sure you will do very well at the SSB. These are very, very important points you will keep in mind when you do the preparations. Good day. Good luck. God bless.